Well, I got these little ornaments in the street. They're little, I guess, birches. Cool, man. So, this morning at 2:10, a person called, and what was really weird, like, why? Like, I would have messaged like, whatever. Never an answer, never a call. Why 2 o'clock in the morning? And then, see, everything I have to question because my phone's hacked. There's weird noises in the background, so 5 minutes and 16 seconds right before 2:12 on my phone was weird, and I hung up. But what did they do with the weird, crazy sound in the background? And that was probably, intentional hack at 2:12, May 9th, 2024. And that would be on the 717-954-4465 number. And yeah, this phone's hacked. No one calls it. Alright. What am I supposed to do? I'm not exactly sure. I hope some miracle happens. I made it this far. I still have these beautiful little things. These are on the street in Lancaster. A wonderful husband. His wife died. So I could tell he's just getting rid of all his Christmas ornaments. It still didn't snow. It's probably Thanksgiving time. And he's getting rid of his Christmas ornaments. He just put them all out. He's like, well, no, that's all free. Because these mean nothing to him because his wife died. And, that's like when your partner dies, you don't want any of the belongings usually. Like, my partner was nothing to remember, so an idiot kept my partner's shit in his car. I said, just throw this shit out. Just always has to make a spectacle out of me. I'm keeping her stuff in my car. Well, look how nice I am to her. I said, throw out all this shit. See how narcissists are? They make up their own little fucking shit all the time. All the time. All the time. Alright, yeah, odd phone call. That's, I don't get it, so I question my hacked phone. Odd phone call. Yeah, really.